Anybody involved in e-commerce should be at this event.
At Accelerate, you can learn what's happening, learn trends, whether it's with peers from other companies or pattern partners. There's so much you can learn.
I was just amazed by all the different ages, different businesses, and different thought processes from everybody.
Sometimes you go to a networking event and there are people all looking for something from you. Here it felt like people were willing to give something to you.
Listening to women on the stage, for me growing up, I didn't see that. And so it's just really exciting to see so much diversity and feel represented.
Had me walking out feeling ready to dive back into the business.
It puts you in a mindset that like, hey, I could be part of the next level.
My favorite speaker is always Dave. He brings energy and perspective.
At the end of the day, it's people that are innovating. I am convinced that it can change the trajectory of your companies if we're all open to it.
To just take off is what Accelerate means to me, right?
Hit the ground running.
Hit the ground with full speed and
like
vision.
A cheetah.
We're leaving with some renewed spirits, and we get to bring that energy back to our organization this year.
It's a key event in the industry, and I believe it's going to be in the future.
100% would come back again.
Yeah, one of the best conferences ever. And I hope I can come back for many years.